All right, y'all. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Wednesday, June 10th, and I'm bringing y'all back another trade recap, guys. And as y'all saw by the title, yes, I got fucking edged today, edged so bad. And this has nothing like literally has. I don't think it has nothing to do with me. Like there is no SMT, no nothing. I caught a fucking banger trade today, banger trade over 200 points, or at least I thought it was gonna be over 200 points if I hit full TP. But oh, bro, that shit like guys, this shit. I was up. Well, first let me go and show you. Well, my Pinot's not even up here, but I ended up did trailing my my stop loss. I traded to under this gap right here, right at or a little bit up higher, like at 30 something. I trailed it. So I did end up making about $600 per account. So what's the math? I don't know, 3,000. I don't know. I don't know the math, but guys, I could have made 1,700 times five account. I would have been above my buffer. I would have had like an 8K day, but we just got edged, and I don't know why we got edged. Like literally, I don't know why we got edged. Um, Let me go ahead and get into like first like how I got edged. As y'all see right here, my target was Asia High. Um, Literally no SMT. Y'all see ES on this side, no SMT. NQ, no SMT. There's no gaps here that are gonna force us lower, right? No gaps here. Um, like literally nothing. The 4 hour gap unfilled is above Asia, right? 15 minute, no 15 minutes. So like guys, I don't see how this shit will just reverse right here without even taking it out. I don't get it. I don't know how that shit would happen. Like I'm still like in shock about how this shit ended up getting, trail stopped. I don't get it. How when we opened up like right here, this candle, look at two displacing candles. One more candle, all we have to do is open up and take that out and then go down. But we obviously didn't. And sorry if I hear that noise outside, guys. The my neighbor is cutting the yard, so um, bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. But like I said, guys, like I just don't get how this shit did not hit TP, full TP. I don't get it. I mean, I can still be grateful for a winning day. I'm glad, but the shit like that, bro, shit like this when this happens, it just man, like at least it's better than a loss, but this shit stings, bro. This shit stings. When you could have made three times the amount that you made, and when it's like not even your fault. You know what I'm saying? But that's trading for you, right? That's trading for you. But now let's go and get into the actual trade I took. So let me go and turn off this indicator, and then boom. So today I was only leaning towards bull to buys, right? I only want to look for longs, simply because we have unfilled 4 hour. We had London High, which we had taken pre-market. We had this unfilled 4 hour, and the only draw we had lower was the previous day low. But like I said, I'm putting y'all on game, guys. I said it's every video, guys. This indicator is a fucking game changer. Like I'm putting y'all on sauce, bro. The previous day low, previous day high indicator, the equilibrium of the range, we're below that, right? It's just a good confluence. You don't want to always base your trades off that, but it is a big factor, right? We're trading below the equilibrium range. We're trading below. We had good draws higher, Asia high, London high, unfilled 4 hour. So you only want to look for longs when we're under that, and vice versa. You want to look for shorts if we're above that, if we have valid draws lower, right? So that was shit. That was my plan for the day. Was just straight longs, right? We did have data lows because we did have CPI today, right? We had CPI, so we did have data lows, but I wasn't too worried about that. We had 15-minute gas protecting it, so I was like, okay, I feel like long should just be pretty obvious today. So now let's go and go down to where market open. So market open, and I might have to get into Tradeovate for this because there was a 30-second. Yeah, let me go and get into Tradeovate, guys, because there was a 30-second that I took. That was actually my entry at 30 seconds. So let me go and show y'all. Okay. So yeah, we also had this hourly gap right here, but like I said, I wasn't too worried about it. We were below the equilibrium range. We had hella draws higher, so I wasn't worried about this hourly gap. So I'm gonna remove this for y'all. I had it marked out, but I wasn't worried about it. So now let's go and go to Tradeovate so I can show you my entry. So right here was my entry. This was open market open right here, just chopping around, right? I didn't want to get in right here because there was really no valid entry. Came down, and then boom, right here. So I missed this first entry, right? I missed this first entry right here, 30-second. I was on TradingView, missed it, right? We started displacing up. Then this next candle, 30-second, displaced up right here, boom. And I was gonna get in right here, but I saw we had another gap right here. And as soon as we opened up and started displacing through it, I got in right here. My entry was at 75, 76, and we rode it through all the way up here. All the way up here. And when we were up here, I trailed my stop to below right here. Like I think it was right here at 30. Yep, right here. I trailed my stop. I saw we respected this gap. My entry was down here, trail my stop to secure profits, and I was like, there's no way this doesn't hit, doesn't ride, right? Literally edge it. Literally, we're at 63, as y'all see. Asia was at 69. Literally 6 points, guys, 6 points, and we just completely flipped, right? Flip, reverse, and I get stopped, trailed stopped. And now we just been chopping. We still haven't even taken it out. So At least I can say, like I said, I still got a winning day. Plus, I made more, and here's my proof that I made for y'all: 572. So about 600 per for 5 accounts. And yeah, my bad, guys. Like I said, someone's cutting the yard, but yeah. So pretty simple day. It's just that shit just pissed me off. Kind of rubbed me the wrong way. It stings a little bit that you could have made more, and I don't think it's greed. It's not greed. It's just like, bro, like it's just unfortunate. Like it would have been different. Like if like this right now, example, Asia got taken on ES. It would have been different if that happened, right? Then I would have got out manually. But guys, before that, there was nothing there. Nothing there that took out Asia. No SMT, no nothing. So like that's the shit that like kind of just irks me. But hey, it's better than a loss. It's better than a break even stop. I still trailed in profit, made about 600 per account. So I can't really complain. I gotta just look at the good side. Got my winning day. I need 3 more winning days for a payout. And yeah, guys. That's pretty much all I got for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok at Tone Trades. And I'll come at y'all with the next video.